Honestly, Amy, fuck off.
Do I?
Filming me.
It's actually saved my life.
I'll actually punch you in your face. I'll punch you in your face.
Babe,
What's that?
I'll punch you in your face.
come on. You're like a little wild animal. Were you a feral child?
Oh my god. This is the worst I've ever felt in my life.
No, you're the funniest I've ever done.
Come on, Becky. Are
Put the phone away.
you going to stop being nasty to me?
Yeah.
Well, I'm not going to put the phone away then.
Oh my god, you are so annoying.
Come on. Come on.
Put the phone away.
Stop being a dick then.
What if I punch you in your face?
I'll probably punch you back harder.
Amy!
Are you going to stop being a dick to me, right?
No, why should I stop being a dick?
Well, why should I put my phone away then?
Because you followed me, you freak. I'm actually going to punch you in a minute. And I'm going to put your iPhone on the floor.
Right. Do you know where the train station is?
Yeah, it's up there.
Come on then.
Oh my god, stop filming me. I'm actually going to drop kick you. I'm actually going to drop